pigeons. What is up, guys? Welcome to the vlog and to Mumbai, India. I got up at like 6 a.m. this morning to go see this thing behind me, which is called the Gate of India, and take some pictures. But I've actually been in India for the last week or so, working with some local tribes in southern India. But before I left India, I wanted to come to Mumbai and check it out and see some sights and go exploring. So that's what we're gonna do today. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun because India is just so different and crazy. So without further ado, let's go explore and welcome to Mumbai. Don't look it in the eye. Yeah, he kind of made a face like he was rearing to do something. Roberta and I, we just left our hotel. Say hi, Roberta. Hi. The mission of today is just to kind of walk around, and so far everything here kind of looks like almost like a movie set. There's like lots of people walking around and activity and just cool stuff to look at, including monkeys. Street market. Do you have a team name?
Yes, United Franks.
What is it?
United Franks.
United Franks? Okay, everybody, the United Franks, right? Hey! The best team in all of Mumbai.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. We've stumbled upon this huge field with a bunch of different teams playing cricket. I've never really understood cricket. Feel free to put it in the comments below if you want to describe how it works. But everyone here is super nice, and that team was super cool. The United, what was it?
Friends.
Best team in all Mumbai. Super nice guys. Actually need to get on that train. But welcome to the famous Mumbai train station. If you ever watched the movie Slumdog Millionaire, this is the platform at the end of the movie where they all like dance on. So this is the Mumbai train station. A little smelly, but still super cool. So, the thing about places like India or Mumbai, it's just complete madness. It's like cars honking, it's people yelling at you, people trying to sell you stuff, get your attention, animals in the middle of the street. It's crazy, it's kind of exhausting, but it's also super fun, and it's one of those experiences that I can't really relay it to you on the camera. You have to come here and experience it for yourself.
My name is Rahim.
Rahim.
Yeah. And you? Roberta.
Rahim works at our hotel. He saw us on the street looking at a map trying to find a place to eat, and he was like, come on, I'll take you somewhere good. So yeah. Rahim, he's got us.
Yeah. Not guide. When you are in hotel, you are my customer, but when you are outside, you are like my friend.
The people here are so nice. I love it. And who watches the 5 day?
5 days is means the with 2-time batting want to come. Means one time, example, you are me, the team, my team and your team. Yeah. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Man, the people here are so nice. I still don't get cricket though. I don't know. I tried to explain it. I have no idea how the game still works, but yeah, he was super nice. to the Taj Hotel here in Mumbai. It's a super nice place. They even have a guy in the background here playing the Titanic theme, so you know it's fancy. They have a food bar that has like some finger food and snacks. So I'm gonna get some tea, and I think it's gonna be fun. Welcome to day number 2 in India. As you can see, it's just madness here. We've kind of stumbled into what I think is like more of like a slums slash like Muslim area. So it has like a different vibe than where we're staying. But we are walking to go see this really cool open air laundry market. But just another crazy day here in India, and I love it. Welcome to the famous outdoor air laundromat here in Mumbai. I really don't have too much information about this place other than it's just like a cool, kind of iconic place. We went down there and tried to go inside where they're washing the clothes, but they didn't let us. But we got a peek at the water, and the water they're washing these clothes in is by far clean. Actually, it looks quite dirty, but somehow when they pull the clothes out, they all look pristinely white and clean. And I don't know how that works. There's like some magic going on in the water down there. But yeah, just kind of cool. And fun fact, most of the people washing clothes are men. Okay. So it is unbelievably hot and sweaty here today. So instead of walking back, we're trying the train. So funny thing about the train station here, men and women can't stay in the same cabins. So Roberta had to go to a couple cars back because she's not allowed to be in the same car as me. Fascinating. Woo! That was so much fun. And fairly dangerous, but so much fun. Alright guys, that is the video, that is the vlog, that is Mumbai and the Taj Hotel back there. But I think that's a good place to end this video. Roberta and I just got out of a Bollywood movie. Now I can say I've seen a Bollywood movie in Mumbai, which is the capital of all of Bollywood, so I can check that off the bucket list. But I am gonna go directly from here to the airport and then fly to Hong Kong for about 14 hours. And I have a friend in Hong Kong who's gonna show me around, and I'm super excited. But I'm gonna do a video about it, and so I'm gonna end this video, and as soon as I do, I'm starting a whole new video for, yeah, the 14 hours in Hong Kong. Super excited, but that means I gotta end this one. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching. If you have, make sure you click that like and subscribe button. Tons of cool stuff coming up, but I think that's a good place to end the video. So the show is over, the vlog is done. I will see you guys in the next video.